Imagine waking up anywhere in the world, opening your door, and instead of seeing traffic, noise, and concrete, you see mountains, beaches, forests, or endless highways calling your name. Now imagine doing all of that on just 3 wheels. This is the Explore the World on 3 Wheels RV. And trust me, this tiny machine is about to completely change how you see travel at first glance. It looks impossible. A 3-wheeled camper? Really? But the moment you see it in action, everything changes. It's compact, futuristic, and surprisingly luxurious. It's like someone took the freedom of a motorcycle, the comfort of a camper van, and blended them into one bold adventure machine. And here's the crazy part. It's not just a concept. It's real. And it works. The front gives you that motorcycle-style thrill. One wheel leading the way. You feel connected to the road. Every turn feels smooth and controlled. It's small enough to move through tight city streets, but powerful enough to handle open highways. Unlike bulky RVs that struggle with parking and fuel costs, this 3-wheeled beast feels light, agile, and ready for spontaneous adventure. But wait until you see the inside. Open the side door and step into a surprisingly cozy world. Warm lighting, smart storage, a compact seating area that transforms into a relaxing space to eat, work, or just chill. There's a small kitchenette where you can cook your favorite meals instead of spending money on fast food. A sink, a cooktop, cabinets, all perfectly arranged to maximize every inch of space. And above the cabin, a sleeping area that feels like a hidden loft. It's snug, private, and perfect after a long day of exploring. Imagine parking near a lake, climbing into bed, and falling asleep under the soft glow of ambient lights while the world outside goes quiet. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. The Explore the World on 3 Wheels RV is built for people who don't want to wait for someday. You don't need a massive budget. You don't need months off work. You just need a weekend, or even one free night. That's the beauty of it. It removes the barriers that make traditional RV travel intimidating. Think about it. Big RVs are expensive. They're hard to drive. They burn fuel like crazy. And sometimes they feel overwhelming. But this 3-wheeled camper flips the script. It's minimal but comfortable. Simple but smart. Compact but complete. And here's something most people don't talk about. Freedom feels different when you're closer to the road. Because it's built like a trike, you feel the wind. You feel the movement. You're not just sitting in a box driving somewhere. You're part of the journey. Imagine taking this through coastal highways, or quiet countryside roads, or even urban adventures where you can park almost anywhere. You're not limited by size. You're not stressed about maneuvering through tight spaces. You're in control, and let's talk practicality. Fuel efficiency is way better compared to traditional RVs. Maintenance? Simpler. Storage? Easier. Even beginners who have never driven a camper before can feel confident behind the wheel. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This RV isn't just about travel. It's about experiences. You can turn it into a content creator's dream studio. Shoot travel vlogs. Capture sunrise coffee moments. Work remotely from a mountain viewpoint. With the rise of remote work and digital nomads, vehicles like this are becoming the future of living. It represents independence in hotel check-ins. No fixed schedules. No overpacked suitcases. Everything you need is right behind you. Clothes, kitchen, bed, your own private space. And imagine the conversations it sparks. Everywhere you park, people will stare. They'll ask questions. They'll want to know what it is. Because honestly, it doesn't look like a traditional RV. It looks futuristic, unique, bold. But here's the real question. Would you actually live in something like this? At first, most people say no. It looks small, different, unconventional. But the more you think about it, the more it makes sense. Do you really need huge space to feel free? Or do you just need mobility and comfort? Minimalism is becoming powerful. People are realizing they don't need massive houses or oversized vehicles to be happy. They need flexibility. They need movement. They need options. And that's exactly what this 3-wheeled RV delivers. Picture this. Friday evening. You finish work. Instead of going home to the same routine, you grab your keys, start the engine, and drive towards somewhere new. By sunset, you're parked near a beach. You cook dinner inside. Open the door. Sit outside under the stars. And when you're tired, your bed is right there. No stress. No booking apps. No planning chaos. Just go. And maybe that's why vehicles like this feel so exciting. They break the rules. They challenge what we think an RV should look like. They prove that adventure doesn't need to be massive to be meaningful. Now imagine where you would take it. Mountains? Desert? Forest roads? Cross-country road trip? Weekend city escapes? Drop your dream destination in your mind right now, because this isn't just about watching a cool vehicle. It's about imagining yourself inside it. The Explore the World on Three Wheels RV isn't built for everyone. It's built for dreamers, for explorers, for people who look at a highway and see opportunity instead of distance. And maybe the biggest surprise of all, it makes travel feel possible again. Not complicated, not overwhelming. Possible.so. Here's what I want to know. If you had this three-wheeled RV for 1 month, where would you go first? Would you stay close to home? Or would you chase the horizon? Think about it, because sometimes the craziest ideas, like putting an RV on 3 wheels, turn out to be the most brilliant ones. And who knows? Maybe the future of adventure isn't bigger. Maybe it's smaller, smarter, and rolling on 3 wheels.